Wake up.
Wake up.
To stop sleeping.
I wake up at 7 a.m. every morning.
Sleep in.
Sleep in.
To stay in bed later than usual in the morning.
On weekends, I like to sleep in until 10 a.m.
Get up.
Get up.
To get out of bed.
I get up early at 7 o'clock to start my day.
Turn off.
Turn off.
To deactivate.
I turn off my alarm as soon as I wake up.
Wash up.
Wash up.
To wash your face and hands.
I wash up before every meal.
Kick off.
Kick off.
To begin an event or activity.
I kick off my day with a cup of coffee.
Work out.
Work out.
To exercise.
I work out at the gym 3 times a week.
Eat in.
Eat in.
To have a meal at home.
I usually eat in during weekdays to save money.
Eat out.
Eat out.
To have a meal at a restaurant or outside the home.
I eat out with my friends at the weekend to try new restaurants.
Put on.
Put on.
To dress oneself in clothes.
I put on my jacket before going outside.
Pick up.
Pick up.
To collect or gather.
I pick up groceries on my way home.
Drop off.
Drop off.
To take someone or something to a place and leave them there.
I drop off my children at school before heading to work.
Head out.
Head out.
To leave or go out, usually to a specific destination.
I usually head out to work at 7:30 a.m. every morning.
Set off.
Set off.
To start a journey or trip.
I set off for work at 8 a.m. every morning.
Clock in.
Clock in.
To record the time of arrival at work.
I always clock in at 9 a.m. when I arrive at the office.
Log in.
Log in.
To enter a computer system or online account.
I log into my email every morning to check for new messages.
Log out.
Log out.
To exit from a computer system.
I log out of my computer before leaving the office.
Take on.
Take on.
To accept a task or responsibility.
I decided to take on the new project at work.
Work on.
Work on.
To be engaged in a task or project.
I stay late at the office to work on the quarterly report.
Plan out.
Plan out.
To carefully organize or arrange something in advance.
I need to plan out my week to make sure I have enough time for all my tasks.
Carry on.
Carry on.
To continue doing something.
After arriving at the office, I carry on with my work from the previous day.
Carry out.
Carry out.
To perform or complete a task, duty, or activity.
I always carry out my daily responsibilities efficiently.
Help out.
Help out.
To assist or support someone.
I often help my colleagues out with their projects when they need extra assistance.
Wind up.
Wind up.
To end or finish something.
I wind up my workday by finishing reports.
Clock out.
Clock out.
To record the time of departure from work or a job.
I usually clock out of work at around 5 p.m.
Fill up.
Fill up.
To make something completely full.
I fill up my car with petrol every Sunday.
Get back.
Get back.
To return, especially to your home.
I get back home by 6:30 p.m.
Take off.
Take off.
To remove clothing or accessories.
I take off my shoes as soon as I get home.
Warm up.
Warm up.
To heat something up, usually food or drinks.
I warm up my dinner in the oven.
Wind down.
Wind down.
To relax after a period of excitement or stress.
After dinner, I wind down by reading a book.
Chill out.
Chill out.
To relax completely.
I chill out for a bit before dinner.
Hang out.
Hang out.
To spend time relaxing.
Sometimes, I hang out with my family in the living room.
Tidy up.
Tidy up.
To clean or organize a space, making it neat and orderly.
I tidy up my room every night before going to bed.
Put away.
Put away.
To clean up and store things in their proper place.
I put away my clothes after doing the laundry.
Look after.
Look after.
To take care of someone or something.
After dinner, I look after my kids and help them with their homework.
Dress up.
Dress up.
To wear clothes that are more formal than those you usually wear.
I dress up in a nice dress and heels when I go out to a fancy restaurant.
Go out.
Go out.
To leave your home for social activities.
Occasionally, I go out with friends for a movie or drinks.
Come back.
Come back.
To return to a place.
Sometimes, I come back late after meeting friends.
Stay in.
Stay in.
To stay at home.
I usually stay in and watch movies on Friday nights.
Sit down.
Sit down.
To take a seat.
After a long day, I sit down on the couch with a cup of tea.
Lie down.
Lie down.
To recline or lie flat.
I lie down to relax and watch TV.
Turn on.
Turn on.
To activate.
I turn on the TV to watch a show.
Turn off.
Turn off.
To deactivate.
I turn off the TV before going to sleep.
Stay up.
Stay up.
To not go to bed.
Sometimes, I stay up late to finish a book or watch a movie.
Write down.
Write down.
To record or make a written note of something.
Before I go to bed, I always write down my thoughts in a journal.
Turn in.
Turn in.
To go to bed, to go to sleep.
I have an early meeting tomorrow, so I need to turn in early tonight. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.